Hello everyone and happy Halloween. Welcome to today's video. So I thought, this is as far as I go with dressing up. Just call me Nora Batty. I thought I'd do some October favourites because I haven't done favourites in a while. So let's begin. If Bertie lets me film without scratching the door. Hang on. Okay, let's start off with face and body skincare kind of stuff. First up, Kiehl's Creme de Corps. I reach for this every winter. This is just a staple that it's basic, it's simple, it's comforting, but it does the job. It really, really moisturizes. You don't have a greasy feel. It doesn't cloy with your fragrances. It's just such a nice comforting cream and I love it. It's amazing on legs. It gives such a nice sheen to skin and you don't get that itchy feeling, when you don't cream your body. Got to cream your body. I like a big pump of this and great for this time of year. Love it. Next, I've been using the Rosa Centifolia #1 Purity Cleansing Balm, and I was not expecting to like this as much as I do. I will even use this on days when I'm not wearing makeup because I like using it so much. It smells gorgeous. And I just love the ritual of, moisturizing it into my skin, removing it with a cloth, and it just leaves skin so clean and glowing. It's beautiful. I mean, this is quite a small, I think this is a small bottle. It was £24. You don't need a lot though, to be fair, just like a small piece size amount and it just spreads, and then you add water and it turns into a milk because it's almost like a double cleanse. And I kind of take my washcloth and I sort of set it on my face to really open the pores, and it's just been lovely. I feel like I've had like a blocked nose for like 100 years now, and this just helps to just soothe my nose and I just love it. Next up, I've got a moisturizer. This is the Skinceuticals Daily Moisture. Lightweight, pore minimizing moisturizer for normal to oily skin. I love this. I use this at night because during the day, my hyaluronic acid and SPF are enough for my skin, but I like to have something on at night, so this is perfect. It's just a nice lightweight cream. I don't know what it does to skin, but it makes skin beautiful. Then, shall I keep with skincare and then I'll go on to hair and stuff? Yeah, so these are two samples I got. One of them is the Eborium Cc Cream, which I've been dying to try. I got this with a Space NK packet. Oh, hold on. I've been wanting to try this so much. So when I got a sample, this is amazing. I made this last, this tiny little bit, I made it last for an entire week. I just used it every day. It's one of those white moisturizers that on contact to skin have a color and sort of give you a bit of coverage. I mean, it's like magical. It reminds me of that Estee Lauder Day Wear tint many years ago. It's got an SPF of 25 broad spectrum sunscreen. It says here, look, high definition radiance face cream. It kind of puts a veil of perfection on the skin. It's absolutely amazing. And I just love wearing this like every day when I'm not wearing any makeup. It just does something to skin, kind of like, just puts like a filter on it. It's really, really good. I do want to try the BB cream because apparently the BB cream has got more coverage. So this is great if you don't wear makeup, or on days that you don't want to wear makeup, but you want something to even out your skin. Amazing, love that. Then next up is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Again, I made this last quite a while. This is amazing. I've used this in the past many years ago, and I know why this is like sold every minute. It's amazing, like literally transforms your skin overnight. So I'm gonna buy me a big bottle of this because my God, it's amazing. Then next up, I've got an eyelash serum. I did a review on this. This is the Lilash Beauty Eyelash Serum, and it's just, oh my gosh. If you watch my video of my review on this, you'll see how amazing it's made my lashes. Fabulous. You just pop it on at night, on the lash line, and you wake up with fabulous lashes. Loving it. Speaking of lashes, mascara. The Hourglass Unlocked is incredible. Absolutely amazing. This dog, come on Bertie, go on, go on. Go to the windowsill. It's okay. Go on. He's scared, he's such a weirdo. Like, he's like my old ring light. He doesn't want to go under the thing. Oh, anyway. What's he doing now? Dearie me. Yeah, this is what a tubing mascara, so it kind of elongates your lashes and then you just rinse it off with warm water. It's a beautiful mascara, absolutely gorgeous, love it. Highly recommend. Then, oh, I kind of switched to makeup, but yeah, I'm going to carry on with the makeup now because I'm on the makeup. Okay, a concealer I've been loving is the Max Factor Facefinity All Day Flawless Concealer. Oh my God, hold on. And we're back. This concealer is like my skin colour. It's a really nice drugstore concealer. It's smooth, it's creamy. It doesn't settle into dryness or fine lines. It's perfect for all over your face. So I use it under my eyes if I don't want anything too bright. It's just a nice concealer. Really, really good concealer. Love it. Next up is a foundation. God, I love foundation. And what happens when I buy new foundations, I tend to go back to my old foundations. And I've been wearing this quite a lot. This is the Vichy Dermablend Fluid Corrective 16-hour foundation. Oh my God, this is amazing. I've been wearing this quite often. Quiet, fingers on lips. It's just a lovely full coverage, creamy, dreamy. And in most of my videos, I have been wearing this because I don't want to waste it. Because it's just such a gorgeous foundation for winter. I mean, look at that. Look at this. Look at that. That was a tiny blob. That's all you need. And look at the spread that's given. I mean, oh, it's just so beautiful. Highly recommend if you've got rosacea or you've got pigmentation or blemish prone skin, because it's perfect for that. Non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, allergy tested, tested on sensitive skin, paraben free. Beautiful, beautiful foundation. And applying that, I have been using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Face Brush. And let me tell you, this brush is absolutely friggin' amazing. This, oh, with powder, with cream products. How are we doing with the lighting here? Oh. And this side as well, I like to use it for concealer. So just making sure my concealer's on or around the nose like that. But this just spreads on foundation. I've used this today with my bareMinerals Original, which I'm wearing that today. And it's buffed on beautifully. Really, really nice. Love that. I have to put bareMinerals in as well. To be fair, yeah, I've been reaching for my bareMinerals again. Oh my, these two together, beautiful. Really, really nice. Excellent brush. I highly recommend this brush. Shush, shush. Quiet. I think we've got a few more bits left. Oh my God, the madness. Lip balm. This is this Fresh Sugar Caramel Hydrating Lip Balm. Oh my, I need to sneeze as well. I had the coconut one in the summer and this is the caramel one. And I love this. It is, oh, I've got to sneeze. I'm really sorry. No, I don't. Okay. Oh, you know I love caramel at the moment. I'm a caramel freak, but this is gorgeous. I use this at night and it just... Well, I'll put some on for you now so you can see. Oh my God. It is, leaves lips juicy as. And the last two things, one is a hair product and this is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat and odour. Love this. It smells, oh, it smells gorgeous. It smells so clean and fresh. It gives wonderful life to hair. It cleans hair, it gives hair a boost. And I just spray it underneath kind of thing. And then I, oh, I'm congested. Oh my God. And then I just kind of rub it in, and it's really, really good. You know, you get clean hair. You know, like on a Saturday when you've had a fry up or something, you know, you want to refresh the hair. It's really good for that. And the last thing I've got is a stress relief pillow mist. This is mandarin, geranium, and cinnamon. Geranium. Ooh, geranium. I love anything geranium. This I got in a local gift store here. It's beautiful. Oh my God, it's absolutely... Oh, I spray this every night on my bedding, and it just in the room, because I just love that smell of like relaxing. I've got to get my diffuser out again. That's what I used to use every night. I have to get all the oils and diffuse. I love the scent of the spa, you know, that kind of herbal scent. I absolutely love it. It just completely relaxes me. And I drift off into a peaceful sleep until I'm awoken by Mr. Bertie B, who likes to wake up every night. Yep, fun times. So that is that. I think that is all my favourites. Yes, and spooky season. How exciting. Love it. Love it. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I've got to say, actually. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what some of your favourites are down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.